So after that, I have thrown it. Hey! So, say what? You have to taste. Okay, now this is perfect. Thank you, Isabella, for mixing it. Now this is okay. Now we have to put
Mama, you don't
up the flame.
Oh, be careful. Don't
We
let
have-
it burn your hand.
We have to put the flame into medium to high. So today, guys, I'm gonna show you on how to make a mango jam. So for this recipe, we will be needing only 3 ingredients.
3 ingredients.
So
for
which
this.
are, you show which one?
This is the brown sugar. Any kind of brown sugar you have.
So we need half cup of sugar. You can also use white sugar, but I prefer brown because I believe it is much healthier compared to the white one, as per to my opinion.
So we have a lemon here. Any kind of lemon again.
Yeah, so I have
If you don't have this, buy from the shop. But you can also just sell it. The shop can just sell it to you because there's coronavirus everywhere.
Yeah, so for the lemon, we will be needing half teaspoon of lemon. So the reason why we are putting lemon, it's because it will help to preserve the jam a longer time, like it's up to 1 year. And aside from preserving the jam, it's also
We have a
it
mango.
also gives a nice flavor.
And we have a mango here.
And
If you have a brown one, just don't do it. If you have a yellow one, then you can make this.
so we
Not a
need
brown one.
so we'll be needing a 500 grams of ripe mango. So since this is seasonal of mango, the mango is sweet, nice, and aside from that, it's affordable.
I like mango. But
So now first, we have to make a puree out of the
Puree.
mango,
How
but
does
make
that
sure don't
don't
mix with water. So what
but
we
don't, and most importantly, do not put it in the oven. Boom! And the oven is spoiled. Put 2, right?
So this is puree. As you can see, it's finely grind. It's become paste.
Paste.
So I have here a wok. There's no flame, okay?
Flame.
You just dump this one in.
Can I mix them if there's no fire?
Yes.
I mix now.
So now it was here now in the pan, in the wok. Now it's time to us to put the sugar. I'm using brown.
Brown.
So we need half cup, but I'm putting only less. Let's say for now I'm putting only 2 tablespoons because the sugar is very sweet.
Mama, can I mix now?
You can use this for mixing. So after this we have to mix properly first. Mix nicely.
Mix nicely, guys.
So I'm only putting 2 tablespoons of
But
sugar.
let your mother see how you're doing because if
Yes.
you do it's bad.
Yes. So 2 tablespoons of sugar will be enough, sufficient for our 500 grams of mango, because mango is very sweet and it has already natural content of sugar. That's the reason why I'm putting less. This is the really advantage when
Smell,
you're
guys, when you make this, it smells good.
This is really the good advantage when you're making your jam at home, because you can control the sugar. Because the last time, actually, I have a really not nice experience. I will not give you in details, but I have purchased one jam in the market. Then it was just sitting in the fridge for like about 1 to 2 months. Then after that, it's starting to form sugar. I can even see sugar in it. It's too much of sugar in it. So after that, I have thrown it. Hey! now this is perfect. Thank you, Isabella, for mixing it. Now this is okay. Now we have to put
Mama, you look
up the flame.
Oh, be careful. Don't
We have-
burn your hand.
We have to put the flame into medium to high.
Medium to high.
And then don't forget to, in between, you always have to stir it so it doesn't go burn down on the bottom. Yes. So now we just have to keep stirring like this in a
Stir.
medium to high flame.
Medium to high flame. Not so high, guys.
So now I've been stirring this for the last 5 minutes. Now it's time to put the lemon, which is one teaspoon of lemon. We drop it here. That's enough. And stir it again. And keep doing it until it gets cooked. So now let's check this. There's a way to check if the jam is ready. So you have to take a plate or small like this. Okay, so what you'll do, you just have to drop up small pieces here inside. Okay, and you can see it is not running, right? It's not running. So that means you just stick in one place. That means it is already ready and it's cooked. So you have to switch off the gas. This is cooked. So now we have to transfer this in a jar. So I have here a jar, glass jar. So we have to, this is sterilized. I have boiled the water, I put inside, I sterilize, and it's the best way to keep our jam in a glass tight container because it will last longer. Okay, so now we have to transfer it now here and just leave it cool down before we close it and put in the fridge. So now let's do the transfer. Now the jam is ready and it took me like 15 minutes to cook my mango jam. So this is now my mango jam. I didn't mix so much because I have only 3 mango, which is that around 500 grams. But if you want more, you can add more. So now they just sit this and then it's cool down before we can close it. So this is perfect. And so that's all for today, guys. I hope you like my mango jam recipe. Until to my next one. Bye.
Bye. Please like,